Guys, it is snowing out here. Alright guys, I am currently under a bridge. It is snowing out there, so it's like snowing and raining, and it's 35 degrees, so I don't want to be out there right now. So I'm right here down here at the creek, and it looks a little high today, but caught a lot of trout here yesterday, so should be pretty good fishing. Let's get right into it. Guys, it might be a little bit too, oh, there's a fish right there. Right as I was gonna say, it's a little bit too murky. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Let's see what this is. All right, guys, we got ourselves a beautiful rainbow trout. I don't know how well you guys can see that. That is a beautiful rainbow right there. Really nice size, probably about 9 inches or so, 8 to 9 inches. Absolutely smoked that spinner. I was just about to say the water might be a little bit too murky for them today, and then bam, he took it. Oh, got one. Jeez, hit it twice. Did you guys see that? Oh, there he goes. Got one right there. Guys, this snow must be the ticket for these trout. Oh my gosh, these fish are crazy. Oh, I had one. Oh, I had another one right here. Oh, got him. Guys, this is so much fun. I already got a video for today. Holy cow. Already caught like 3 trout. Oh, have one right here. Oh my gosh, that felt like a big one, guys. That felt like a huge one. That felt like a sea run almost. Got him. Oh my gosh. Right here in front of me. Right at my feet. He didn't come back for it. Got him. Oh, that felt like another big one. Got him. Ooh. Are you guys seeing these bites? There. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're definitely hooking fish. That's a good one. And it has about the size that I've been getting. Alright guys, be able to see these fish a little better now that we're out here. Beautiful fish right there. Evan, look how chrome he is. You got me excited. Alright guys, nice fish right here. Nicest one of the day, I'd say. 10-incher. Beauty. I'm gonna get a picture of this one. Guys, this guy's a chromer. Get him on film. Give me a video? Yeah. Hey, is this a cutty? Oh no, I just cut it with the hook, that's all. Oh. Alright guys, this fish is bleeding a little bit, but I think it'll be just fine. I just hooked it in the tongue a little bit. Beautiful fish though. Watch this. Swam off just fine. Alright guys, we got one. Oh, it's a cutty. It's a cutty. It's a cutty. First cutty of the day. Is that a cutty? Hold on, let me check that this guy's a cutty. It indeed is a coastal cutthroat trout. Beauty. Got him right here. Ooh, that's a good one. Big one? Nice, guys. The average size in this creek is getting bigger, bro. All right, guys, let's see what this is. Hey, it's a cutty, Evan.
No way.
Guys, third cutty of the day, maybe? Yeah, third cutty. Second cutty. I don't know. Second or third cutty of the day. This one. All right, guys, so there's one last look at that cutty. Tons of those in.
PB.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Right here.
Right here at your
sea
feet?
Run, all the way.
Right here at your feet?
At least a sea run, dude.
At least a sea run, no way. I got that on film. Oh my gosh. God, I just fell in. I fell in over my head. I fell in over my head pretty much. Yo, this is not good. So much water went up my waders. Holy cow. Oh my god. Alright guys, right after falling, we got rewarded. Hey, we got rewarded with a double up right here. His fell on the ground for some reason. There we go. Got him. Bobber down, guys. I don't know how well you guys can see or hear me or anything since I fell in the river already. There he is. Whatever it is, I don't. Got him. Bobber down. Key is, guys, to not paracook set.
Nah, Ellie doesn't know what he's doing. The key is to paracook set.
Oh no. The key is to drop him on the ground and let him flop around and pretty much die. Oh. Oh, I had him. Got him. Oh, what the heck? Stick. Brown water right now, guys. We're getting a lot of snow today, so water is brown. A lot of wet snow, that is. And yes, I did catch another fish, but whatever. We've caught like at least 100 today. Oh yeah, guys, not to mention, we have a walk back. Here, let me put it into a little example for you. Here's us.
15 miles. China
is like all the way over past that tree, and we have to walk all the way past China. So, yeah, that's how far we have to walk. About 200,000 miles by 7:45, and it's 7:44 right now. Got him. Paracook setted. Actually, not paracook setted. Unlike Evan, he has only caught like one fish today because he paracook sets all of his.